Hey guys, welcome back. Part 2 of the forest. Calvin, what are you doing, Calvin? I'm not gonna be able to
He's
protect
afraid.
Calvin.
He's afraid. Leave him alone.
Oh, bro, yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do anything. There's three. Oh no.
Is it the big dudes?
Yes. Two big guys. Why are
You
they
better have
climbing
a.
trees, bro? He's down. Calvin's down.
Bro, you better pick him up. Pick him up and he'll start running. Just pick him up and let him run
Run,
away.
Calvin, run! What the hell? Bro, I do not have.
You don't have a bow? You can
I do
snipe
have
him?
a bow. I need to get into it without a fat guy diving on me.
Man, he's like, Geronimo! He's gonna do a whole belly flop.
This is literally what he was doing. Oh,
Gotta
a
think
bow to the
you
head
know?
kills him instantly. That's good.
Yeah. They're not really
Ew!
mutants.
There's a dude with a golden mask.
Oh, the big dude?
No, he's a small
Taller?
dude. Small dude.
Oh. Oh, my game.
Bro, this is not good.
Alright, well, I loaded in a little bit more quicker, so I'ma head your way.
I'm... Bro,
Hey,
I'm...
Virginia's here with me. I get a good entrance to the game.
Woo! Yeah, lucky for you.
Even though there's a cannibal camp behind me.
Yeah, and I get the giant scouting party.
Do you still need my help? I'm going over
Yeah,
there.
yeah, I need your help.
I heard no, so I think you
I
can
said,
handle
yeah,
it.
I need your help.
Nah, you don't need my help. He just came over for like dinner, you know? Just let him have your meat, you know?
Maybe I don't need your help. Oh, ow.
Is it maybe because you have your drying rack outside?
I don't know, dude.
Could be.
But I'm about to start feasting on their corpses. I'll resort to cannibalism.
Do it. You won't.
Oh, I shot him right through his golden mask in his eye. Can I take that mask? No?
No.
Okay, here's the thing. Is Calvin alive?
No.
He's supposed to be across the street. Is he crouching in a bush?
Oh, you did tell him to stay hidden. Yeah, that's what happens. If he goes down, he runs away, and if you tell him to stay hidden, he'll just crouch wherever he ran to.
What are you doing, Calvin, bro?
Man is traumatized. Leave him alone.
Oh my.
Is that another dude? Or is he dead? I think
Those are
no,
all
he's just...
dead.
Dude, on my screen, he's just standing, but he's dead. Can I chop off his head? Yeah, I can. Can I pick it up? Wow. You can't pick up the big boys' heads, unfortunately.
Look, he got a bulge.
Bro, his bulge is where his head is right now. Bro, you're like rich with yarrow over here.
But stop taking my yarrow, bro.
No, I need some of this, bro.
No, bro. You're good. You're good.
Bruh.
I need to make some arrows.
I haven't...
What the hell
Whoa.
is that?
That's a new one. I haven't heard that one yet.
It's only day 6 since we last did a video.
And it's already autumn.
Yeah, and we're already getting hard. Oh, dude, they're chasing Calvin.
Yeah. Headshot, headshot.
Oh, I suck.
Wow. Yeah, he's just scoping it out, dude. Oh, there you go. I got plentiful of yarrow here, man. Bro,
I need to make some
you're the
arrows.
supplier over
I
here?
got 10 arrows.
Actually, I need to see if I have the bow. Or at least if I can make one. I do not. So let me just make that real quick. Oh no, I do. Never mind. This is the first time me being at your base. What was your design here?
It was just a simple cabin. I was gonna make a balcony, but then I was rudely interrupted.
Yeah, that's what kind of happens here.
I do have a little bit of a plan for today. We go out and go to the
Build some
shoreline.
more.
Go investigate that life raft that we saw in the helicopter. And then maybe hit into that cave right next to it.
But in the very beginning, in the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's about time. We haven't really done any of the caves yet.
So I think
But
that's what we
before
should
we
go
do
do.
that, let me gather some of these aloes real quick and make some of the health mix.
Okay. I am going to wait, how do I put the stuff on there? Okay, like that. I have 5 dried meat, throw 1, 2, 3, I'll take 2 with me. Wire batteries. Bomb. We gotta start growing plants.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. We need to grow some of these seeds we're getting.
We need to like kill a whole bunch of cannibals and do an unboxing video with all the skin pouches at the end of the season.
All the meds we're gonna be getting. That's such a weird concept they did for that. I mean, kind of weird how a skin pouch has a zipper. Like, where did it even come from?
It's like Rainbow Six when you open up the little baggies.
I never played Rainbow Six. But,
Calvin, you're staying here, bro.
bruh, I think he's gonna be more of a target if he stays at your base.
But, oh, Virginia's here. Yeah, I was already able to interact with Virginia while we were building our base, and I was able to give her a tracker.
Oh, did you?
Yeah,
So what, does that mean I can see her in the GPS now?
you should be able to. She has like a band-aid symbol. I can give her a bunch of stuff, but I don't have anything to give her.
You don't have any clothes that you can give her?
No I do not, sadly.
Okay. Oh, I can't make the health mix plus. I need something else. That sucks. Oh well, I think I'm just gonna have to make some of these normal ones for now. Bro, with all these health mixes I'm making, might as well be part of the cast for the new Breaking Bad.
I think we have a long way to go. Oh no. Actually, your base is on the way there.
Yeah.
Also, I wanted to investigate something else
Yo, mom.
along the beach. On our way there. Trying to see if I can find any aloe, but I guess none is spawned. And go check out your base for a minute, and then we can get going.
I will say not the best for my base, but that's just a temporary for now, just to place things. I do want to have a bigger base once we actually get some more items to make the grinding a lot easier.
I mean, if it's functionable, then that should be good enough. For
Nah, you
now.
gotta add the charisma to your base so that each time you go in your base, you're like, yeah, I made this. I'm proud of it. Not, just making it half-ass and just like, you know, looking like dog water.
My base is the best, obviously.
Yours looks like a shack from the movie Shrek.
Bro, is the best.
Nah, it's debatable.
If you're not living like Shrek, are you even living, bro?
Yeah, you don't want to be living like Shrek. You want to be living like Larry.
Bro, Shrek has the best life.
Nah, gotta live life like Larry. Mine's a square box, but if I really wanted to, I can expand upon it.
Hmm,
It's just a 4x4. These are all just the extra logs I just kind of had.
It's like, yeah, that's just your shack. This is your actual base.
No, I'm gonna
These
have a
logs.
whole beach house over here, whenever the flood season comes
Bro,
around,
you
I'm gonna
could
be
you
safe.
could actually make like a bridge onto that little island,
That's a lot of work.
but then you'll be safe. Even if the bridge
Uh,
breaks, you're still able to swim. And you
I don't
don't
know.
die from the cold in this one.
They'll probably change that. I don't know, because that's kind of weird how you don't die from that.
Let's see inside
I,
your MTV crib.
bro, don't even look in there yet.
I'm looking in there.
Bruh, that's it.
Yeah, wow.
Bro, you don't see the flat screen TV right there?
Yeah,
Look
there's
at
like
that
this
view.
weird
Look
kid
at
with
that
an
view.
axe. He's like walking it.
Yeah.
Oh god, he came out of the
Bro,
TV.
Calvin is
Calvin's my
blocking my. Get
bodyguard,
out of
bro.
here!
Calvin
Get
is
out of here, bro!
protecting
I'm
me.
gonna tell this man to move right now. He's
Calvin
glitching
is
my
my
door.
Calvin is my bodyguard, bro.
Calvin, you know what? How
Uh,
about you go and clear 10 meters? Get away from here.
no, don't do that. Don't do that to Calvin. He's special.
Yeah, in a different kind of way.
That was uncalled for, Daredevil.
Your mom was uncalled for.
Dang. He's coming.
Are we
He's
gonna?
following you, bro.
We're gonna get going, man. We
Yeah,
got we
man.
got things to do. Come on, come on, man.
Okay,
Come on.
it's this way. Gotta go this way.
Actually, forgot the whole plan. What was the plan again?
We're gonna investigate the beach real quick. Well, we're probably gonna have to sleep when we get there.
Oh shit. Do you have the temporary thing?
I think I have a bunch of them.
Oh, no
But
turning back now.
we're gonna investigate this little alcove. Oh, I hear music over here. Oh. Guys, I guess there's a little
I do hear
supply
music.
area over here. You had an
What's going
energy
on over
drink?
here?
A pistol rail?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Watches?
What? Bro, that song goes pretty hard.
Yeah, that is a pretty sick beat. Oh, you
Coconut chips,
changed
Aw.
Future Bar, protein for when
I don't
you need it
want
most.
that song.
Fizzy energy drink, now in
Wait,
3
what?
new flavors. Thermal grape,
I
I
changed
banana,
destroyed
and
it. How,
chillin'
what?
cherry. Blast off.
What?
No, bro. You didn't destroy nothing.
Okay. Where's that pistol thing that we just picked up? Is that a part or?
Yeah, it's up in the black box.
Oh. What does that do? Just give you more ammo? For your
Bro,
gun?
this song goes pretty hard too.
Yeah. I'm not here. Bro, I changed that, okay. Yeah, I'm not hearing any music, dude.
Well, are you ready to make the swim, my guy?
No. Do we need to go over there?
I mean, the
What's
light,
over there anyway?
it's a dot, so we kind of have to go over there eventually. Better
Is it the
sooner
orange
than
thing?
later. Yeah.
We're about to find out if there's sharks.
I hope there isn't.
I mean, there's sharks in the cave, so I assume there should be in the ocean.
Dude, there better not. Oh, dude, there's fish. There's already a bad sign. If there's fish, there's
Yeah.
sharks. Bro.
And swimming takes so much of your stamina. Yeah,
No,
we
no.
decided a wrong time
Oh,
to do
oh,
this.
oh! Something
Yeah?
attacked me. Something attacked
Yeah?
me. No, 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 bro.
Yeah,
go,
better,
go, go.
better.
Oh my god, go, 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 go!
Ooh.
Dude! Dude! Oh my god!
Let me up to these, let me up to these. Bro, you're in the way!
Come on, bro. I made it. Oh my god. Bro, something. Oh, there's a pistol here, bro.
Me.
Oh my god, I got a pistol, bro.
That wasn't worth me getting my butt bit.
Dude,
by
that's
whatever that was.
scared the shit out of me.
What was that?
Oh,
Where's
that's a giant
shark.
shark. Look how big it is.
I couldn't
Dude,
see it. You were in the way.
dude, he's circling. He's circling. You'll see him.
Move out of the way. Let me
No,
see.
he's right behind you.
Bro, he's not.
Look, he's right there in the
Oh,
water.
I see. Yeah, that's.
He's
you shoot him.
freaking huge. Shoot him. Shoot that man,
I don't think I have bullets.
bro.
He's circling. He's circling.
I thought that would have been a one-shot kill from a shark.
Yeah. And we, dude, we have half stamina. This is the worst time. Let's see, can I shoot? Oh, I did hurt him. Oh, he's running off. I'm gonna skedaddle now. If I can, why can't I jump? Yeah,
I pushed you out.
No, I jumped out.
I'm going.
I'm going.
I'm ahead of you, so
Yeah, he's gonna go for you first. He's like, no, I'm gonna get you.
bro, that scared me so bad.
Yeah, I thought, I don't know what in my head. I just didn't think it was a shark just because of the splash. It sounded like it was something else.
Dude, I didn't. We were far away from it whenever it happened too.
Yeah, dude, that scared.
Me just screaming, bro.
No, I thought it was like, okay, whatever it is, it's on you and not on me. But then I heard it near me, and then I'm like, okay, now it's an issue.
Yeah,
Now
whenever
it affects me now, so now I need to be worried.
whenever it's biting me, it's it's
I'm like,
not an issue.
It's not on me, so I don't really care.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, they made the sharks in this game terrifying. Hey, we got a gun now, though. That's what's up.
Yeah.
Okay. Does it tell you what kind of ammo does it need?
It's 9 mil. Yeah. You got a pistol rail. Put that pistol rail on there.
Oh yeah, combined.
Now it looks official.
What does that do?
I think
Just
it
helps
lets
you
you
aim.
put other attachments on. So like, there might be a laser sight or a flashlight attachment or like an actual like sight.
I mean, it kind of helps you aim, I guess.
Yeah, I think you have to aim for the black whenever you put that pistol rail on.
Wait, how do you know it's the what kind of bullets it needs. I'm hovering over it, but it's not telling me.
Yeah, I'm just assuming that it's a pistol and it takes the smaller bullet and it's not gonna take the
Oh.
shotgun round.
Well, because I know there's different guns, so I know there's different ammos. I just didn't know what it takes. So I'm gonna be conservative and not use my gun as much.
Okay, guys, here's the next game plan. We're gonna cut to whenever we get to the helicopter cave right up there. So we'll
Bro,
see.
the boombox respawned.
No
Everything
way.
respawned here.
No
Look,
way.
the crates are back.
Is there stuff
Wait, why
in them?
can't? Well, it's
No.
not letting me open them. It's
There's
weird.
nothing in them. They're open for me.
But the music's playing for me.
Coconut cherry. Future bar.
Yeah, I can turn it off. Okay, that was weird.
Yeah, we'll cut it off here, guys. We'll get in to that cave and we'll see you there.
Where like
Oh,
he's or
God.
not Jason Voorhees, Michael Myers. There you go. Where like he's walking, you get away like maybe 2 miles away, and then he's right behind you. He runs whenever you're not looking.
Oh, bro, there might be orcas in this game.
Dude, that is no, that's a shark. No, that's an
Uh-uh.
orca. That's a
Yeah,
dead
bro.
orca.
Look, he has a life jacket in his mouth.
Why is he so small?
I don't know.
Orcas are huge, aren't they?
Oh, dude, he was eating cannibals.
This hand was doing the peace sign before he died. On there. Where is this? Oh,
There's
rope.
another shoe here.
There's a lot of rope here.
Why is there a shoe there?
I think you're thinking a little too much about the shoes.
Bro, there has to be a sign with the shoes, bro.
No, you're just overthinking it. But
I
you're
promise you there's something.
you're
about
hoping
the
to
shoes.
find a box with the Nike Air Forces
Not,
rocking in
not
style.
even that, bro. Oh, I see
Trying to get
something over there.
Where?
Right here. Oh. Yep, little boats with motors on 'em, bro.
Wait, what?
I can move the motors. Can we just flake these up and get out of here, bro?
Bro, they so screwed up with this, man. You could use that as a weapon, bro. You could just turn that sucker on and just like
Bro, I seen
slice and dice.
I seen big cannibals using that boat as a weapon.
That's BS, bro. How can they use it and we
Oh,
can't?
here it is.
There's some grenades here. What? Where? Where'd I? How'd you? Bro,
It's in the
what?
boat. It's in the boat. Look down.
I am looking down.
You don't see it?
Bro, how'd you pull that out of thin air?
I didn't.
I could pull a rock.
Keep spamming it. Ow.
Bro, I don't see the thing.
You don't?
No, like, there's no indicator of it allowing me to pick it up. Here, maybe I need to remove my axe.
Oh, here, come up here. There's a camp? Oh, dang, there is a camp up here. I didn't even see the camp here before.
Bro, that walkie-talkie.
The shotgun rail. I just got a shotgun rail. On one of the
What was that?
bodies.
Ramen noodles. I got ramen noodles out of this.
Yeah, I did too.
Oh, I got some energy drinks.
Bullets. Grab these bullets.
Bruh.
Here, let's
More
sleep real
ramen?
quick. Sleep real quick, and then see
Why
if
would
it
we sleep?
reloads. See if it reloads
Bro,
so you
it's-
can grab it.
Well, hold on. Maybe now that I don't have anything in my hands, I can probably get it.
You didn't even say you saw it.
I know, but maybe I can get it now. Wait. No, that's... Bro, that's just a rock.
Dude, it's literally supposed to be right where I'm standing. In
Bro.
the
Hold on. Let me just equip my modern axe. Alright.
Okay,
Wait, hold on.
guys. This is it. Put that walkie-talkie right away.
Yeah, I don't know. Each time, whenever I take out my GPS, it'll take out my GPS. But then if I click it again to remove it, it'll then take out my walkie-talkie.
Breaking the seal. Oh
Bro.
god. The ominous noise.
Whenever you went in there, bro, you just faded into black.
Yeah, it's not. Oh yeah, I found a flashlight whenever I was wandering around off camera. There's some 9mm ammo over here.
Oh, dude. These caves are, I will say, are a lot better than the forest ones.
An air tank?
What is that? Oh, that's just light.
Why can't you just... Oh, more ammo. Why can't you just pick up the light, bro? It has a handle.
Yeah, I
And
think
it's
they
really
didn't want you to have
powerful.
that. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna do something real quick. Let me go ahead and equip this.
Oh, dude, that's gonna look terrible.
Oh, I thought it would light up if just having it in my hand.
It does, but it's red light. It's not white light.
Bro, that doesn't really do much.
Yeah, no, they're kind of bad.
That's terrible.
Oh, I thought those were footsteps, but it was like wings beating.
Yeah, I can see why you thought those were footsteps. Whoa. Bro, they really went out with the stalagmites.
Yeah, it's...
Getting a little framey for me.
Yeah.
Yo, where are the enemies at?
I don't know. I heard something, bro.
You sure?
You don't hear them moving?
No, the water's pretty loud for me.
Oh, dude, there's a fingers.
A what?
A fingers, bro.
Ew.
There's one right there. Oh my god, bro. No, 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 no.
It's growling. I don't like that.
Dude, I booked it.
Yo, 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 yo. I don't know what that was. I think it was a gray. Yeah, look at that. Is that a gray? Well, that man just charged.
Ow, they hit like a truck. Bro, he literally hit me so hard.
Dude, that man looks gnarly.
I made a bomb a while ago. I'm using it.
Bro, but won't that like destroy the armor? Like won't that like blow the body apart?
Well, we'll find out.
Oh. Ew. Was that like snot? What was that?
I don't know, but we accidentally blew up the light. Oh, there's 3 fingers in here, bro. Ow. Where is he?
Why can't I see? Why am I not seeing?
He's dead. There's another fingers in here, dude.
Oh, I can carve whatever this is. Is that just creepy armor? I think that
He
was...
wants you.
Yep. I got creepy armor. Yeah, I think he wants you more. I don't. Oh, you were not kidding. He does hit hard. Ow. You got this. You got this. I believe.
I got them.
See,
Oh, did you carve all of them, bro?
all of them. I only got the
Oh,
one. What are you
I
going
was about to say. I need some armor too.
Wait, do we not share it?
Yeah, you carved this one and I'm not, I was, oh wait, am I able to get
I
it?
I carved the one that was in the wall or something. Whoa, whoa,
I'm
what's
not
this?
giving you anything.
Whoa, you get it from these gray cannibals too?
That's what it looks like. You said you
Bruh,
carved
that's-
this one.
Yeah, that's the one I got.
I'm not able to carve it. So we're gonna have to carve them
Whoa.
at the same time, dude. Because I saw you were able to carve it as soon as I was done carving it. So here,
Bro,
let's get
that's
this
so-
fingers. Carve
Okay,
the
hold on, hold
fingers.
on. Count of three, count of three. 1, 2, 3. That's 4. 4 creepy armor already. I'm gonna take a health. Because that man destroyed all of my health.
This machete is really good. Smaller.
Hey, you got the flashlight, so you lead.
It's easier to see through this anyway. Another fingers, bro.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he just Naruto ran at us.
Ew.
Oh, I'm down, bro. I'm down. Oh,
Okay,
bro.
okay. I'm gonna lead him out. I'm gonna lead him away. Come on, get me, get me.
Dude,
on.
they really
Come on.
made this game hard. We're on normal right now.
Come on. He is so scary when he charges at you like that. Get up, get up.
Bro,
Get
imagine
up,
when we
get
do
up.
our
Move,
hard
move.
survival series.
Bro, he's in the dark. Bro, he's howling. He's growling.
Yeah, you wanna growl, bud?
Bro, you just took off the bullshit.
There we go.
Oh, he just jizzed in my face. Ew.
Vuka, okay, that took a lot of ammo.
Oh! Hey, hey! I saw nothing
I'm
but
down
boobies in my
again, bro.
Bro. Oh, okay, I gotta be safe about this. I'm stuck. Oh, Gwen,
Dude, you
move,
gotta
move.
get me before you go down.
No, why am I carving? Bro, you landed right next to the body, and I carved the body before I can get you. Bro. Oh, my
Oh, I'm down.
Are you up? Did you get
No,
up?
I'm down.
I'm also down. Oh my gosh. The one spot you went down, he went down next to the body.
Bro, I hope that's not
Ah,
game over.
respawn.
I did.
That was a fail attempt.
Where? What the heck?
Wait, what's going on? What happened?
I don't know. Where am? I'm in a cocoon, bro.
Whoa, whoa, I don't see anything. Hold on.
You're in a cocoon.
What? Whoa. What?
Bro,
Ew.
where
Bro,
are
this
we?
looks like the eggs you come out from Alien versus Predator.
Oh, we were right next to each other.
Wait, where's my bag? There it is. At least we get our stuff in there. Awesome.
Bro, that was not okay.
Now we're in a completely different spot. Yeah, let me go take some meds real quick.
Oh, we are nowhere near.
Yeah, we are completely in a different spot.
Okay, guys. Yeah, I got out of the cocoons and we did all that. Is the finger still in here, bro?
No, I don't think it is. Oh, I just heard something.
There's music.
Wait, it's music. Oh.
That
Oh,
bat.
dude, those. It sounds like footsteps on the wall.
Wet footsteps. Oh, my battery's about to go down.
I wouldn't even know how to give you batteries. Oh, I just give them. Oh, hold on. Come here. Come here. Because I can just hold A. Yeah, I can give you some. No, those are meds. Yeah, I can't give you batteries.
Dang. Can you cycle through?
No, it just pulls out like the platform thing, and it allows me to give you like meds, uh, and like
My battery's getting
candy
weaker.
bars.
Oh, dude, there's one right there. We're in the dark. Bravo 6 going dark.
Hear him. I hear
Oh,
him like,
I had
what?
batteries. It auto put in. Okay. Oh, there's
Bro,
another
what is it?
fingers, bro.
Oh, bro, I might have to take out the blicky. Bro, can I just like, does a headshot work on him with a bullet?
I don't think so. I think all the mutants are like bulletproof. There's one down.
Oh, 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 he did a combo on me. He did a combo. He did a combo. He's doing, no, oh, yeah. I'll drag this guy out. You gotta, ew. Oh, he's
Oh,
down, he's down.
did you stab him in the leg, bro?
Yeah, he's jizzed. No. Oh, look how he came out. Yo, creepy armor is so easy now. Oh, I can't even carry anymore. Where'd he go? I think I dropped.
Oh, it might have fell through the map.
Oh, that's stupid. I have to wear some now.
Yeah, I have
How
9.
many?
I'm gonna put some on.
I have 10. Yeah, I need to. I'll put on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go.
We gotta get through the rest of the cave before my battery dies. This is the last battery that I just put in.
Yeah, I had to take some meds. Alright, let's go.
Oh
Oh,
my
there's another one.
god, there's like 6 in here.
Yeah, I wouldn't fight him over. Oh, watch out.
There's 2 fingers.
Oh, another. Where did you even? What? Okay, I killed 2 of them over here.
Oh, they were hitting each other. The fingers were hitting each other.
Oh, I'll do this. There we go. Okay. Oh, there's another one.
Oh!
Oh!
Where's
They're over
fingers
there's
are
one
right
by me.
here.
Yeah, they're by me. Bro, I don't like the noises they make. I need to get my scan up. Whoa, they jump!
I got one down.
Okay, this one won't stop doing combos.
They do 3
Okay.
swings.
Oh, this man is already tearing through my armor. Oh, this is disgusting.
He just got all over you, bro.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. I don't know if I have any meds. Not meds, cloth on me.
There's so many
Yeah, I don't have any cloth. Oh, yeah, I do. I had a singular cloth from the boat I got.
Well, that's too late. I already started murdering them.
Did they give you 3 armor?
No,
Oh! Really?
they're literally just here to take your creepy armor.
That's kinda BS. Ow.
Yeah, don't go in your inventory around babies. It's dead.
Dude, they used the same model.
No, they changed up the face.
Well, I can't really see their face.
But let's
Here.
get through here. There's
Yo,
something
how
moving.
deep does this go?
I'm almost out of battery, so we're gonna be.
You have to run it
Okay,
now.
good thing. Good thing.
Whoa.
Oh, pair of clothes, leather jacket.
Really?
Oh, stun gun.
Where?
Right here.
Oh yeah. Easy.
Vodka.
Too bad you can't drink that.
But what do you
Oh.
get out of the way?
I thought that was the exit.
Whoa!
What's this? What?
What
is
the
that?
hell, bro? Dude, just,
What is that? I saw something.
just look.
I don't see anything. Bro, what is that?
Bro, that
Yeah, I
thing's,
just saw a whole bunch of hands and a bunch,
dude,
like a big old
that looks
glob.
like the slug from the trailer, bro.
Look, I think he's just going in circles. Nah, it hasn't really been helping me. It doesn't really shine that much in the back. Bro, we need to do the tactic where we get those sticky grenades and place it on their foreheads.
I don't know if you can. There is no sap. You can't get sap.
Whoa, there's so much
Fish.
bones here. Wait, this is the entrance, isn't it?
Yeah, we need to go this way now. There's
Dang
a
it.
can.
Oh. Bro, I need that weapon.
There's nothing else.
Hold on. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, this is a big room.
Yeah, that's not a good sign. This is like boss battle space right here. Just without the boss.
Dude, I can
guess.
barely see.
Really? I can see.
Did we just walk through here? Was there really nothing in that giant room?
I think we should go back. I feel like there's something in there. I'm gonna go back and look around.
I'm a.
For it to be that big, I
Oh!
don't...
Found the rebreather, I think. Yeah, it's shining over there.
Yeah, I guess there was nothing in there.
Yeah, I see the shark. Brucey, you can stay in there, bud. I'll just go back out through the
Bro, where's the rebreather at?
entrance. Got me a rebreather, a watch, an energy drink.
Is this the same one as the first one?
No, I don't think so. It looks like different. Look at Brucey. He's swimming.
Where is he? Oh, I see him. Yeah. Dude, the one in the ocean looked a lot bigger.
Oh yeah, it was like 3 times bigger.
Oh, I got some more MREs.
I think. Wire.
Oh, there's some
Energy
more cloth over
drinks.
here. I'm gonna get some of those energy drinks.
Don't fall in the water. You're Brucey food then.
No. Where's these energy drinks?
They're on the
You
floor.
lied to me.
They're on the floor midway. You have to come back a little bit
Midway?
near the lunchbox. Right there.
Oh.
I
I was
didn't
about to
lie
say, you-
for nothing,
I was about to
bud.
say, you lying to me.
I'm getting out of here.
Energy drinks are like the best. Alright, let's go.
But yeah, hopefully we find some more cool stuff to show you guys, and we'll see you in the next one.
Say something, Kevin. He's right behind you.
He just
Man.
scratches his head. Yeah, screw you, Kevin. Peace out.
Alright, see you guys.